this video I'm going to teach you about the different list functions in Python. So first one, we have append function, and append function essentially adds value to the end of the list. So over here you can see I have one my numbers list, and inside this list we have some numbers. Now I want to add one new number to the end of the list. So I can add numbers, strings, any type of data to the end of the list with the help of append function. So to use any list function, first of all you have to call your list, right? So my numbers list dot and then append function, and it takes only one parameter. You can pass variable and you can pass your value in single quotes or in double quotes. So I'm gonna add one number to the end, right? So I'm gonna say 20, and now we can print and my numbers list. So now if I run the program, 20 you will see to the end of the list, right? You can see here. Insert function essentially adds value to the specific index of the list. So it takes two parameters. So now let me to change this to insert, and first parameter would be your index. So I'm gonna add 20 on index 1. So now let's see the output on index 1. Now we will have 20, and you can see here. Remove function essentially removes value from specific index of the list. So let's first change it to remove, and then I'm gonna pass 39. So now if we run the program, now 39 should be gone, and you can see we have 10, 20 and 50. Clear function removes all the list value, right? So it takes no parameter, and the syntax is clear. And now if we run our program, our list would be empty, and you can see now we have an empty list. Pop function removes last value from the list, and it also takes no parameter, right? So the syntax is pop, and now if we run our program, 50 should be gone from our list, and now you can see we have no 50 in the list. Sort function orders the list values. The syntax is sort, and it also takes no parameter, right? So now if I run the program, now you will see all our values will be in the order, and you can see first we have 10, 20, 39 and 50. Reverse function shows values of the list in reverse order. It means it will display indexes in reverse order. So the syntax is reverse, and it takes no parameter, right? So now if I run again the program, now you will see all the values will be in the reverse order. First we have 50, 20, 39 and 10, and over here you can see in the last we have 50, and then we have 20. Extend function combines two lists, and it also allows us to add some values to the list. The syntax of extend function is extend, and now I'm gonna add some new values to this my numbers list. I'm gonna say 500, 700 and let's say 900. So now if I run the program, now we will have these three more values. So you can see 500, 700 and 900. Now I want to combine two lists. So over here you can see we have only one list. So first of all we need another list. Let's create another list. So I'm gonna say list 2 equal to, and I'm gonna store some numbers 400 and let's say 700 and 1000. And now let's get rid of this, and now we need to pass our second list, so list 2. And now if we run our program, now both lists will be combined. So over here you can see we have 10, 39, 20, 50, 400, 700 and 1000. So now our both lists are combined. Copy function copies one list values into another one. So over here I'm gonna declare another list. So I'm gonna get rid of this and my list 2 equal to an empty list for now. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy all the values of my numbers list into my list 2. So my list 2 equal to my numbers list and then dot copy. So this copy function will copy all the values of my numbers list into my list 2. Now let's print my list 2, and now if I run the program, you will see all the values of my numbers list, and inside this my list 2 you can see we have 10, 39, 20 and 50. So this is the work of copy function. Count function finds specific value and returns the number that how much times it is used in the list. So over here I'm gonna add 10 2 times more, right? And let's get rid of this, and now I'm gonna change copy to count, and it takes parameter. So in the parameter you have to pass your value. So I'm gonna find 10, and now if I run the program, it will return 3 because we have 3 times 10 in the list. So this is the work of count function. Index function returns the index number of the specific value in the list. Now if I change this to index, now it will return the index of 10, right? So let's see, you can see we have 10 on 0 index, and if I change 10 to 50, now it will return the index of 50 is 3, so the result should be 3. Let's see, and now you can see we have 3.